Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to restore the stock firmware on Xiaomi Pocophone S3 NFC. You may need to make this procedure, for example, if you had problems in installing TWRP and you deleted the MIUI, or if you have viruses, updates that give problems, any kind of problems. Even if the phone cannot boot, you just need to boot in fast boot mode and follow this procedure to reinstall the stock firmware, and everything will be restored to its factory settings. First of all, go to this first link, Xiaomi Mi Flash tool, download the latest version. It will go in a zip file. Open the zip file, you will find a folder. Drag the folder to your desktop, and inside there is Xiaomi Flash, the application that we are gonna use to restore our device. The second link is the ROM itself. You can download at mirom.sbos.ed.tw. You need to pay attention, download the fastbootrom.tgz. This ROM will be in a TGZ folder, double click. There will be another folder, double click another time to open. Inside this you will find a folder, drag a non-zipped folder, drag and drop this to your desktop. In the folder there will be various files. The most important are flash all except data storage, flash all lock. These files will be very useful in the next step. Open Mi Flash. Here in device you need to plug in your phone in fast boot mode. To put a phone in fast boot mode, first of all power off the phone. Second, turn it on by pressing power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep pressing them until you see a light blue fast boot with Xiaomi Bunny wearing a Russian cap with the Android logo next to it. In this mode, plug the phone to your computer. Click refresh. You will see a device. It is your device that has been recognized in fast boot mode. On the top, click select. Let's select our file, Surya Global Images version 12.0.7. At the bottom you see clean all. It means delete all the data from the device, save user data. It means restore the firmware, but it will save your data. Clean all and lock. It will clean the phone, restore the image and lock the bootloader. This option is the safest one because it will make the phone like factory settings. When everything is done, click flash. You need to look at the progress bar. It will flash various times. Let it do its work. Don't close the application. When it will be finished, your smartphone will automatically reboot on the stock firmware, like when you turn it on for the first time with the initial setup, and the phone will work again. See you later, guys.